good morning to all of you all. Today we are going to do Bholi by K.A. Abbas. Now, who was K.A. Abbas? He was known as K.A. Abbas, but his real name was Khwaja Ahmad Abbas. He was an Indian film director, a screenwriter. He was also a novelist and a journalist. And he wrote in all Urdu, Hindi, and English languages. He was born in Panipat in 1914 and he died in Mumbai in 1987. He has written books like The World in My Village, The 13th Victim, Distance Dream, 2ND/ED. And he has also received the National Film Award for his best feature film. Now, first of all, let me introduce you to the lesson. Bholi. Bholi is the story written by K.A. Abbas. This story is about one girl who had an accident, and because of that, she had disease in her childhood phases, and her face became dull and ugly. She was always the target of others. The people were always teasing her because she was not good looking and she was not intelligent because her brain had been damaged due to her childhood accidental fall. Now, her life turns when she goes to school and her teacher encourages her. There she becomes confident and a learned person. And then later on, circumstances arise when Bholi was going to be married to a person who was older than her, and they were not a good match. But she rejected this when the bridegroom demanded dowry from her father. So this shows the rise of a girl against social injustice. That is the theme of this story. First of all, we'll talk about the characters in this lesson. Bholi, whose name was Sulekha, and she was the Nambardhan Ramlal's youngest daughter. School education had changed her outlook towards her life. Other was Ramlal. He is a prosperous father of 7 children. He has 7 children, but he had a narrow mindset. For him, he thought that only daughters were born only for marriages and nothing else. Then is Bholi's mother. She is also a very conservative mother, and she does not take proper care of Bholi because she has 7 children. Then Bholi's school teacher. She is the one who educates Bholi and encourages her. And Bishambar, who comes to marry Bholi, who is a very greedy man and a dowry seeker. First of all, let's start and overview the chapter. We'll talk about Bholi's first few years. Bholi was the youngest child of Ramlal, from one of the 7 children. Her father was a Nambardar in the village, but as there were 7 brother sisters, she did not get much comfort in a house, and Bholi, due to her ugliness, was rejected. What had happened when she was a small child, she had fallen down from her cot when she was just 10 months old. Because of this, her brain suffered and she could not learn things easily. Like she was very slow in learning things. And that is why the people started calling her Bholi. Bholi means innocent. Then, when she was of 2 years old, she had chicken pox, smallpox, and because of smallpox, the marks remained on her face. So that made her more ugly. and she learned to speak when she was 5. But that also she could not speak clearly. She used to stammer, haklati thi. And so that is why everyone made fun of her. Even her parents, they also neglected her because उनको ऐसा लगता था कि she is a ugly burden for them. उनके लिए एक बोझ है. Now then Bholi goes to school. Once the Tehsildar came and he inaugurated a new primary school in the village. He asked Ramlal that you should send your daughters also to school. Ramlal could not say anything to the Tehsildar. His wife objected because they said that girls are not for education. Girls should not go to school, they should be married. They are for marriages. But then the mother and the Ramlal thought that let's send Bholi to school because she is ugly. Maybe she may not get married. So maybe she can, after she gets her education, maybe she'll be able to earn her living. So preparations were made for Bholi to go to school. Bholi was really very scared because she had never gone out of the house. Everyone used to make fun of her. But that day she was given a bath, new clothes to wear, new and clean clothes. Even her hair was oiled and they were plaited. So she started feeling better and she said, yeah, school is going to be a very nice place, because it was the first time that she had been taken care. When Bholi reached school, she saw that the classroom was full of girls like her. She was scared, so that's why she sat down in one corner. But she was attracted when she saw all the colorful pictures on the wall, the realistic, and she was impressed by those realistic pictures of birds and animals. The teacher came to the class and asked her name. She started stammering. And then she started crying. But the teacher called her very lovingly. And when all the children had gone, she talked to her very lovingly. She said, ki, come on, Bholi. You will be able to speak your name better. Come to school. And the teacher kept on encouraging her, and slowly by slowly, the fear of Bholi started going away. And then she felt as if there was a new life in her. Something new was beginning in her. As she was in school only, Bholi's parents, after some years, got a marriage proposal for her. Ramlal was not very happy because that person was a widower who had grown up children. So means he was an old man. विडोवर मतलब उसकी वाइफ की डेथ हो गई थी, बड़े बड़े बच्चे थे. पर उसकी वाइफ जो थी, रामलाल्स वाइफ, शी वांटेड हर टू गेट मैरिड बिकॉज उनका ये कहना था कि दिस प्रपोजल हैज़ बिकम मीन्स ये हमारे लिए एक भगवान का वरदान है. इट्स लाइक अ बोन फॉर अस, क्योंकि भोली हमारी एक अगली चाइल्ड है. भोली इज एन अगली चाइल्ड एंड नो वन इज गोइंग टू मैरी हर. सो द फादर took about the refusal proposal and he told his, yet father said ki why don't we ask Bholi, will she get married? But her mother said no, there is no need to ask Bholi. फिर the wedding day came, शादी का दिन आया. The Bishambar Nath, when he came there, he asked Bholi's parents to give him 5,000 rupees. So they said, we are giving such a young child to you. So उसने कहा कि what do you think? I'm going to marry her. You have to give me 5,000 rupees as dowry. Otherwise, and those money are for Bholi's marks on her face. She's such an ugly child. उससे शादी कौन करेगा? And said कि I'm going to leave the ceremony. मैं उससे शादी नहीं करूँगा अगर आप मुझे 5,000 रुपये नहीं दोगे. रामलाल, he was humiliated. उसकी insult की गई. Tears in eyes were there. So he took the money yet and he started giving the dowry to Bishambar. Bishamba proceeded to garland Bholi, but Bholi, what did she do? She threw away the garland. She said, I am not going to marry this person. ये एक greedy coward है, ये एक greedy man है. And she told her father, take back your money. कोई ज़रूरत नहीं इसको मनी देने की, and I am not going to marry. He said कि कोई बात नहीं, if no one marries me, मैं टीचर बनूंगी और मैं पढ़ाऊंगी और मैं अपना नाम कमाऊंगी, and I'll earn my living. मुझे ज़रूरत नहीं है कि शादी करने की. So after that she worked hard in her studies, she became a teacher in the same school, and she kept on studying also. So her education, her teacher had helped her to change her outlook. उसने अपने सोचने का उसने अलग ही देखा. So let's again once again revise the chapter, the highlights. First of all, Bholi was the fourth daughter of the Nambadar Ramlal, and she was a very simple and a pock-marked girl. मतलब उसके दाग थे और उसका रियल नाम सुलेखा था. जब वो छोटी सी बच्ची थी तो वो है ना अपने कॉट से नीचे गिर गई थी. उससे क्या हुआ, उसका डैमेज हो गया उसका ब्रेन, और इससे वो एक भोली भाली इनोसेंट लड़की रह गई. मीन्स हर शी वॉज लाइक शी कुड नॉट, वो बहुत जल्दी से लर्न नहीं कर पाती थी चीज़ें. और उसने बोलना भी, व्हेन शी वाज 5 years old, दैट टाइम शी started speaking, so she used to stammer, हकलाती थी. Then the Tehsildar opened up a school and asked Ramlal also to send her daughters to school. Ramlal did not send the other daughters, thinking कि ये लोग शादी के लिए होते हैं, but they thought कि Bholi, what will she do, so let's send her to school. When Bholi went to school, she was a little scared, but उसकी जो टीचर थी, she kept on encouraging her and she continued her studies. कुछ सालों के बाद the village became a small town and Bholi को एक proposal मिला for marriage. That person was a widower, lame भी था, लंगड़ा था, but he was a rich person. और जब wedding का time आया, so what did he do? He asked and demanded for 5,000 rupees. But Ramlal did not want to give all those money to him. But Ramlal ने सोचा कि अगर मैं ये पैसा नहीं देता, so what will happen to my daughter? How will my daughter get married? But Bholi, because she had got education, her outlook was changed. She said she's not going to marry this greedy widower. And then she later on took care of her parents also, taught in the same school where she had got the education. So we have ended with the chapter. You have already seen the main points, the highlights, and let's summarize once again the story. Now see, this story is the introduction of a little girl called Bholi. Bholi means innocent, who was very simple. Now, through this story, what do we come to know? Through this story, we come to know that first of all, you should stand for your rights. आपको अपने rights के लिए बोलना चाहिए. You should go against dowry system, and that is what Bholi did. Bholi ने यही किया. But where did she get this encouragement to continue her studies, to get the education? It was her teacher who kept on encouraging her. And that is why slowly by slowly she got her education. She even stopped stammering. And she stood against the person who thought कि I am rich, I have got money, but was a greedy man and who asked for dowry. जिसने dowry मांगा था. people spoke many things क्योंकि it was they were very orthodox, very conservative. सोसाइटी में उनको ये था कि girls are only for marriages, girls should not speak. They said she is shameless, that is why she is going against her father's will. But no, she spoke up. She did not want her father to get humiliated in front of anyone. वो नहीं चाहते थे कि उसकी फादर की इंसल्ट हो और ह्यूमिलेट हो. So what did she do? She stood up against, she spoke for her right, and that is why the wedding party had to return. उसको रिटर्न करना पड़ा वापस. और उसके बाद उसके फादर बहुत सैड हुए ये सोच के कि what will be her future. But she told her parents that you don't have to worry about my future. You don't have to worry about my future. She said that I will finish my education. And then when she finished her education, she started teaching in the school. Even her teacher, she was very proud of the decision that Bholi had taken. And then she looked after her parents in her old age. So thank you. We end up with our chapter.